Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by creating a focus scene that sells the product. Set frame rate to 24 or 30 and choose a 16:9 resolution for ads. Import your product model, logo, and a 1/2 length music track, then place them in named collections so you can toggle visibility quickly. Once done, enable auto save at 5 minutes to avoid losing edits. This saves time later and keeps you moving through the next steps without interruption. You now shape the viewer's attention by blocking camera moves, a hero spin, a close detail, and a reveal. Add an H-dry for realistic reflections, then supplement with 2 area lights. Position a key light at about 45 degrees with intensity around 1, 2 to create appealing contrast. Once animated, refine motion with F-curves to make ease in and ease out natural. This prevents robotic movement. Make sure to use simple transforms and limit complexity for a quick, high-quality render. You finish by rendering smart. Output a beauty EXR and a pass like depth or cryptomatte for fast adjustments. In the compositor, color grade, add subtle glow and sync your cuts to the music beats. This sells rhythm. Once done, export H. 264 for review and ProRes or higher for delivery. If you see noise or blotchiness, make sure to enable denoising or raise samples to between 200 and 500.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.